In a household filled with creativity, one can embark on an exciting scientific adventure by constructing an air pressure rocket launcher. By using common materials like a plastic bottle, a cork, some water, and a bicycle pump, you can build your own launcher to explore the principles of air pressure and dynamics. Begin by filling the bottle slightly with water, inserting the cork tightly, and attaching the bicycle pump to the sharp end of a soccer needle that has been inserted through the cork. As you pump air into the bottle, pressure builds, eventually launching the rocket into the air with a satisfying whoosh. Each launch brings a clearer understanding of the effects of pressure and the thrilling potential of homemade ingenuity.